Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make fish with cauliflower. My mother and myself, both of us are going to make the fish curry. So come on, let us see. This is the fish. You can see there is one full fish also here. You can see this also, and some fresh pieces are frying over there. My mother's frying it. Now I have cut up the cauliflower. You can see I have cut up the cauliflower. I peeled some peas, matar chimi. The onions are cut and kept. First the fish will be fried, then we both of us, my mother and myself, will make the curry. Fish is fried here. In this process, I'll fry all the fish. Over here, the fish curry is being made very differently in a very unique way. I have put the oil in the karai. क्या डालेगा बोलो? Put in the onions. डालो. Put in the 5 फोरन. ला मसाला ला. Put in the ginger garlic paste. घाट लो. Put in the mustard, dhania, jeera and black pepper paste. बस. हाँ, ला. अच्छा है. पानी डाल. ले. डालो छोड़ दो. Put in the curry masala. ये डालेगा ना. क्या कर रहे हैं इसको? उठाना देखो. किसको उठाएगा? और मसाला को सूखा. और वो जाला जाएगा वो नहीं जाएगा. क्या कर रहा है? Put in the peas. Put in the cauliflower. थोड़ा पानी डालना है. नहीं ठीक है. Put in the salt to taste. fry the cauliflower and the masala together nicely. Put in some water. देखो पानी.
आर्धे झोल करो. चल सूट कम डालो और थोड़ा दे पानी. वो तो पकेगा, ये सब पकेगा. हाँ बस.
Video on it.
Cover it up and let the cauliflower cook. लो छोड़ो.
हम छोड़ेगा.
हाँ छोड़ो ना. हम बोल रहा तुम छोड़ो. क्या है? Put in the fish. It is soft. See it? एक दो फ्राई.
ये दे.
हाँ हाँ
ये तो
हाँ हाँ ले
पिट्टी
ले.
है. ले.
This is the dhania patti and tomatoes. This also I will put in. Done? ढक दे.
थोड़ा पका लेना.
Let the tomatoes cook for a while.
इतना गुरगुरिया लाल ऑरेंज.
Unique type fish curry and cauliflower is ready. You can see how yummy, delicious it's looking. Lovely. Thank you for watching my video.